Hello students, welcome to the English class. This is Parul Sharma. Hope you all are doing well. Students, today we will do one of the important topic from the writing section, that is article writing. How to write an article and what is an article and how we can frame, how we can write an article for the newspaper or for the magazine. Especially articles are written for the publishing in newspapers or in magazine. So first of all, let's discuss what is article writing. So students, article writing. An article is a piece of writing written for a large audience. That means whenever you want to convey your views, your thoughts, your ideas to the public, so you need to write an article. You can express your views, your ideas through an article. And it's specially written for the printing in newspapers or magazines. And that is very important for your examination point of view also. Let's discuss some objectives of writing an article. What are the objectives? So, the article provides information on the different topics. It gives us information. It gives the information to public related to a topic. Next is it influences the reader and urges them to think. That means our article should be as interesting or should be so much effective or impactful so that the reader should think about it. Next is the article can be related to the various topics like rising issues, social problems, and technical developments. Okay. So now let's discuss how to write an article. What is the format of writing an article? So let's start. Format of writing an article. The first thing is heading. We need to write a heading or a title, you can say. Heading or title. Students, heading is very important part of an article. So it should be very catchy, it should be very effective so that readers will try to read it, or it will create the curiosity among the readers so that they should read it. Next is writer's name. Means who is writing that article, name of the person should be there. Then next thing is content, which is important part. You can say content or body of an article. Content is divided into 4 paragraphs. Let's start with the first one. Paragraph 1 means introductory paragraph, or you can say opening of the article. Brief introduction should be there related to the problem, related to the issue, related to the topic. Okay, and that should be enough in 4 to 6 lines. So you need to be very particular about it, and it should be very interesting, it should be very good so that reader would enjoy that reading. Okay, next is paragraph 2, that means analysis of the topic, or you can say descriptive paragraph. That means in which we will discuss kinds, consequences, facts, examples, or logical agreement should be there. Kind and causes, like what is the problem, what are the causes of it. But kinds, causes, it can be different related to the topic. Suppose if you are writing about the pollution, so kinds will be there. But if you are writing about the population, kinds will not be there. There will be causes. So it can be differ, but I'm explaining you like it should include facts, examples, or you can say logical agreement, kinds and causes should be there in this paragraph. Okay, so that it should include the more information, the reader should get the more information related to the topic. Now the next is third paragraph, that means implication, or you can say you need to use compare and contrast technique here. Contrast technique means giving your point of view related to the issue, related to the problem, and you can mention examples to justify that. In this you will mention examples to justify your point, to justify your thoughts, your ideas. And next, the last one is fourth paragraph, conclude, that means conclusion of the article. Now the point is how we will conclude it. After writing about the introduction of the problem, then descriptive about the problem, means lot of discussion we had, and after that about the examples and your point of view you have given, and then at the last what you need to do, you will write suggestions, that means summing up of your views, and you will mention some solution of the problem or related issues if you want to offer. Okay, so that's all about the content. There should be 4 paragraphs and you should be strict how to write it. Now there are few tips which I want to give you related to writing an article. So here we go. The first thing is heading. Heading should be eye-catching, or the first letter of every word in heading, first letter of every word except preposition should be capital. Okay. Apart from this, there are few things more to know. So let's go further. That means another thing is you should be true descriptive about the relevant things. It means that our article should be written in such a way the things should be related to it. It should not include the irrelevant things. Otherwise, it laid a bad impact on the reader, on the examiner too even. And another thing is don't elaborate in such a way that can spoil its beauty. That means be strict to the word limit. It should be near the word limit. It should not be less than the word limit or too much you are writing about a single topic. So it should be near the word limit. That means you should be strict to the format and the word limit. Now another thing I want to tell you, just keep writing an article in a simple or precise way, or you can keep your language simple. It should not be too formal or too complicated for the readers. That means sometimes some students think about to use the difficult vocabulary, and which spoils their beauty and which spoils the connection between the sentences. They are not able to understand what is the connection between the sentences. That is very important. Another thing means whenever we are writing, things should be related to the topic only, and it should be logical. Illogical things you are not supposed to write. You will mention your ideas, but that should be in a sequence way. Things should be related to each other. It doesn't mean that first paragraph is going somewhere else and in second paragraph you're moving on another track. It means that everything should be related to each and everything, related to one another. Now, the last thing which I want to tell, just try to improve your imagination, and whenever you think about a topic, just collect your ideas and organize them, try to write them, try to pen down them, and then draft them or edit them. In case some correction you need to see, then you can edit them and then revise it. Very important is revise. Whenever we are writing anything, you need to revise it so that you can find yourself, you can analyze it yourself, whatever you have written. And write small sentences. Don't write too lengthy sentences. It can be cause of grammatical mistakes, and avoid grammatical mistakes. Use proper punctuation mark. That is very important for writing an article. Okay, I hope you all have understood what we have learned today. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.